yeke ombekia abantu bali batamwigene tinyasaye kumurikira ryuko mwaziri waisemi Professor George Magoha aseke mbeki bono kiagenetia masabo tabasa okolekana ichискuru nigo mwaziri bone so kirina ukwande ngane yasarokane komo cheke ombekio nagote abuna abana goikabasaberwe aseganga yoko yaligani ane bali wachokara matemo omana na KCP na boiga matemo ya KCSE.
And you have reminded me about something. Atheists are telling me that I should stop prayers in schools. They should go straight to hell. I am a believer, and we must encourage children to pray, even before exams if they can. We must pray. The kind of praying that we have stopped is prayers coming from outside. Because in those prayers coming from outside, they also carry other things to come and confuse our children. Are we together? So prayers are thoroughly encouraged, and let the others not think that we don't know what we are doing. We must continue praying.